KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
This is KD-Pro8x8D, 8x8 HDMI HD-Base-T video matrix that supports UHD, 4K resolutions, HDCP 2.2. The KD-Pro8x8D is a full kit, which means it includes the video matrix itself, plus 2 of the long-range extenders that are capable of going over a single cat wire to the output of the video matrix. Can do 100 meters at 4K resolutions or 500 feet at 1080p when you enable long-range mode. And we have the short-range extender, or the standard range extender. We include 6 of these. So you get a total of 8 extenders here. The long-range extender supports audio return channel. So this integrates natively with output 1 and 5 of the matrix here, which is on this side indicated with long-range mode, as it says. And the audio can be returned either over or from HDMI from a ARC supported display, or from the external digital audio here. So even if you don't have an ARC supported display, you're able to return that, and it is output as either analog or digital audio on that output 1 and 5. Another option for utilizing these external audio de-embeds is to de-embed the audio of the selected video source. So you have your 8 video sources, and whichever one you select can be output over those connectors. The output audio de-embed ports have volume control, variable level volume control, lip sync delay, muting control, 3-band EQ, in fact, so it's all of the DSP features you would need for integrating this in a professional system. And then over to the side where you have your unit control ports, the power, there are 2 connections, one for the matrix, one that powers all 8 of your receive balance, so it's all done in the equipment rack, and you have control ports for controlling this unit over TCP/IP, RS-232. Of course, IR control is also supported, and front button control, as we see on the face of the unit here. But also an additional number of ports so that it can integrate with a compass control system, adding ports to that system, or by third-party control from any third-party control system can control this system, and can even pass through control to control your connected devices, such as your televisions. So this is the KD-Pro8x8D, 8x8 HDMI HD-Base-T matrix with audio de-embedding and audio return channel.